Friends, today in this video I am going to explain how to take a screenshot in your Samsung M12. As we know, when we press the power button and the volume down button together, we can take screenshot. But today I am going to explain a different way through that we can take the screenshot in your Samsung M12 mobile. As you see in the bottom line of the screen, you have a fourth icon that is called accessibility menu, and it has a set of icons present on that. If you swipe left, you will see a screenshot option at the last. If you click on that, screenshot is taken. Now let's see how to enable this fourth menu. If you go to settings and scroll up, you will see accessibility over here. Tap on accessibility, then you will see an installed services section over here. Tap on installed services. You have accessibility menu at the top. Click on that, enable the accessibility menu shortcut. Immediately you are enabling, you will see a fourth icon here at the bottom right corner. Sometimes few people may ask question that they may have two services in installed services. Say when they click on installed services, they may see live transcribe and sound notification, only the second and fourth options. To install the accessibility fully, go to Google, search for accessibility menu here in the search box, and you will see, if you scroll up, you will see Android accessibility suite here. This is an application in Play Store. So if you either you can go to Google Play directly and you can search for Android accessibility suite and you can install it, else you will get the search result and you can click here to install this Android accessibility suite. Install that, then again go back to settings, go to install services. You will see 5 services, then go to accessibility menu, click on or tap to enable this accessibility menu shortcut. Then you can see an accessibility icon at the bottom right corner. So this is all about this video. If you found this video useful, just click a like button and share this video to your friends, and subscribe this channel for upcoming tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.